Introducing XPOWER's line of ULV foggers. From battery-operated to corded options, XPOWER offers the largest selection of ULV foggers in the industry. The fastest and most effective tool to help you and your business disinfect with confidence. Don't settle for traditional wipe-down methods with a pump spray or trigger spray, which gives you inconsistent coverage, user fatigue, and uneven droplet size. Take your cleaning to the next level with XPOWER ULV foggers. What makes XPOWER's ULV fogger so special? XPOWER's ULV foggers utilize a powerful motor to create high pressure flow through an ultra-fine nozzle to create a droplet size on average of 50 microns or less. That, in turn, gives you easy application of any room for complete sanitizing and maximum coverage. Fast, efficient, and easy to use. Let's see how that works. When an XPOWER ULV fogger is sprayed in a room, the ultra-fine droplets are suspended in the air, assisting to neutralize odors, bacteria, and viruses. You can apply both air and surface treatment for the ultimate one-two punch. No more wasted time and effort in cleaning a large area, especially in those high-traffic and high-touch areas. Clean faster, reduce downtime, and disinfect with confidence. It can't get any easier than the versatility of XPOWER's ULV foggers. XPOWER ULV foggers help keep your customers, employees, and business safe and protected, ensuring you keep your business open and running smoothly. Our ULV foggers are perfect for offices, restrooms, kitchen and food services, children's centers, gyms, doctor offices, waiting room and lobbies, and many more. There are a few options in size and power when it comes to our foggers. We have the corded models of the F8 and F16, the battery-powered F8B and F16B. Lastly, our DC brushless battery-powered F18B and F35B, which will give you longer battery life for extended use and larger reservoir capacities. For full specs, please visit our website for more information. All our units have an easy pour reservoir, adjustable flow rate nozzle, and some battery-operated units also have an easy-to-read battery level indicator. XPOWER's ULV fogger family has got you covered for all your needs in sanitizing and disinfecting applications. For more information and full specs, please visit our website at www.xpower.com. Thanks for watching.